Hello everyone, I got this smart lock for an entry door made by LOCK&SOLVER. It comes with all of the hardware needed for install, set of keys. This goes on the inside, 4 AA batteries. Open, close, switch. Auto switch, auto lock switch. And here's the most important part. It works off of a fingerprint, dial pad, and the key. It also works off of phone app, and it has lots of features. It does single code, auto lock, auto unlock. It is also rust resistant. Let's get it installed and see how it works. Install the lock part first with 2 screws. Run the wire through. This plate goes on the inside, and run this wire also. It comes with 4 screws, 2 short and 2 long ones, depending on your door thickness. I'm gonna go with 2 small ones. And make sure not to over tighten it. It is always best to hand tighten it. Now connect the inside part with this wire. Just snap it in here. And fix it with these 2 small screws. And now fix the bottom with this screw. When you insert the last battery, it programs itself.
Lock direction setting succeeded. Unlocked.
And close the cap. Ready to use.
Locked. Unlocked.
Here we go. Now let's see how it programs the code, fingerprint, and the app. So to set up your password, open the back panel, press reset button for 1 second till you hear the beeps, enter 6-digit number, press unlock. It will ask you to re-enter the same number and press unlock again. And your code will be programmed and this button will light green. So I did mine. Now let's see how it works. Let's lock. Press unlock. Here we go. Now let's try to program my fingerprint. To program your fingerprint, also
Add a user authentication administrator.
click the reset button, enter your passcode, click unlock.
Administrator, please enter your fingerprint or password. Please press your finger. Please press your finger. Please press your finger. Please press your finger. Added successfully. Number 050.
Now let's try. Let's lock it.
Locked.
Here we go.
Unlocked.
Works as it should. Now let's see what app has for this lock. To connect your lock to your phone app, you need to download Tuya Smart app. register, log in, then come to your lock, press number 3 and unlock button, dial your passcode and press unlock button. Now on your app, press add a device. Continue. Allow. And here you go. Here's the lock.
Operation succeeded.
And now go on your lock. Press done. And here you go. To lock it, press and hold.
Locked.
Locked. Press and hold to unlock.
Unlocked.
You can add family members. You can do temporary passcode, accessories, under menu, remote unlocking, remote voice unlock, auto lock, lock volume, lock language. And this is how you control your lock with your app.